Hi, welcome to Tech Manual. This is FPJ, and today we're gonna unbox the Oppo A3. Yeah. So this one is one of the latest models that Oppo has released, and for this one, let's just run through some of the specs that they have. First, it has a military grade shock resistance, so pwede mo ibaksak. Sobra-sobra. Pero matibay siya. It has multiple liquid resistance. We have tried that on one of their model phones. It also has a 1000 nit ultra bright display. So it can let's check that out later on. And finally, we have the 45 watt super VOOC flash charge, so you can charge this one in just minutes, not hours. Okay, so let's open this one up. According to this one, uh, the color that we have is a starlight white. Okay, so buksan na natin siya. Okay, here's the box. It's simple. Again, here are the quick specs. Over 4 years of durable battery with 45 watt flash charge. It has a military grade shock resistance, a Snapdragon 6S 4G Gen 1 mobile platform, and Splash Touch with IP54. So, ayon. So, let's open this one up. Oh, yes. Okay. Yan yung box. We have the unit itself. Again, this is Starlight White. Ayan. Oops. So, punta na tayo sa laman muna ng box first. So, again, you have the unit later. Ayan. There, yung plastic. We have the jelly case na ilalabas natin, which also has the SIM ejector. We have the quick guide. We have the safety guide. And of course, the jelly case. This actually looks cool. Ayan, tignan mo natin dyan. Here. Of course, we have what they are Oppo is very proud of is the Super VOOC charger na 45 watts. So, it could charge up really fast with this one. Ayan. Definitely, I'll use one of these because yun nga, in these times, we need more fast chargers because ang bilis malobat ng mga phones natin sa dami ng ginagawa natin, and it's better to have a handy fast charger always. Okay, so we have now the unit, and let's open this one up. Ayan. Yes, there you go. Okay, so here's the unit, and look at the back. Ayan, it's really nice because you can see very smooth, pero it has something like sparkling things. Para siya merong glitter at the back. For the camera, we have a 50 megapixel ultra clear camera, a flicker sensor, and a 5 megapixel camera, front camera. So, kind of basic, pero it gets the job done. Okay? So, in terms of design, I really like it because looks premium for its price, and we'll reveal the price later. But okay, let's just open this one up para makita nyo. Ayan, Oppo. Ayan, Android. Lagay natin siguro with the so let's see kung ano yung mukha niya with the jelly case. Actually, parang aside from this one being really tough, now you have your jelly case, so definitely mas magiging tougher yung phone mo. But it looks good actually with the jelly case, and looks good without, kung gusto mo makita yung sparkly something ng niya. Ayan. And yes, it runs on Color OS just like other Oppo phones. And yeah, hintayin lang natin. So again, papakita ko yung laman. We have the chargers, we have the quick guide and safety guide here, and also the SIM injector. Siguro marami na rin tayo because sa dami ba ng phones na dumaan sa atin. We have a lot of them. So this one, again, hello. Let's connect na. And okay, we're here now, completing our setup with the Color OS phone. Again, this is the Oppo A3. Ayan. Then, okay, so what we have now is the first or the home screen of the Oppo A3. Again, showing all the Oppo app market, but we also have the Play Store, so I guess we're good. Okay, ayan yung ating sample ng ating camera. It's a 50 MP camera, so it looks good. Again, don't expect too much because this is a budget phone, but definitely you could do more with that. So of course there's the pro version if you're really good in photography, video, and photo, portrait for that bokeh effect. The other functions that we have here is night mode, high res, panorama, slow-mo, time-lapse, dual view video, ayun, and sticker and text scanner. Ayan, very useful. Dual video, ayan. You can see myself while I'm looking at Squirtle. Ayan. Gives you all those basic needs that you could do. So definitely, you could play games with this one. You could do all your online stuff with this one. But I guess the best features of this one is the military grade toughness. It's splash proof. It has a dual video. Also the NFC that I'll also try. And for me, it's a good buy with its price that I will reveal really soon. But for now, again, this is the unboxing of the Oppo A3 that comes with this one. Again, there you have it. Yan, mga kababayan. We have the Oppo A3. Ayan. So, again, thank you very much for watching. This has been FPJ Jr. for Manual to Life and Tech Manual. Yeah, so again, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.